All right, so we are going to be changing the drain tubes, or I should say updating the drain tubes in the back of this unit. Now, the symptoms you're having or might be experiencing: clogged drain, water, or ice on the floor inside the refrigerator. Pay attention to those things. A layer of ice that tells you that your drain tube is clogged, and it will, in effect, cause your fan to be damaged, which will stop you from cooling. All right, so we're going to be replacing the drain tube. We're going to upgrading it. The freezer is fine. We're not going to change the freezer for right now, but this one has been compromised. It's pretty bad, so we're going to change it. I would have changed both, to be honest, but when the order came, only one came. I didn't realize that until actually last minute. So only one will be installed. So pull down. And you do have to remove this piece as well. That's the failure point. See how open that is? Air gets sucked up, and also debris gets trapped, and basically it gets clogged. It does not allow drainage. So let's get the upgraded version. Give a little bit of history on GE. GE's been using these forever. They changed the design slightly, but the U trap has been very successful. In fact, this on its own would work probably just fine, but they do have this piece, has a little flapper, and it goes up over, and it slides in here, basically almost like a thread, where it threads in. But it goes in, and then you just basically slide your other one over it. Okay. Now, depending on the situation, okay, it's up, it's tight. If you needed a tighter fit, sometimes you can improvise and remove this if it didn't fit, but it's perfectly fine. That's how it should be. Now, water comes down and it has a trap. So now the warm air cannot pass through the layer of water. So now the fridge is perfect. That's how that goes. We got the back panel to put back on. This job is done. Thanks for watching.